Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing us how to blend the edges of our images. If you are yet to watch the video on how to remove background from your image, please do so, for I have created a video that will direct you on how to remove background from your images. Let's get into today's tutorial. So like I said before, today I'm going to be showing us how to blend the edge of our images. So I'll delete this now. Good. Now let's add the image from gallery. Press OK. So this is the image we'll be using. So I want to blend the edges of this image. First, I will change this background to the color I'll prefer. Any color you prefer, just change this background to it. I'll change this background to white. Background to white. Now our background is white, so I want to blend the edges. I'll get my shape. This is my shape. Bring it to the edge of the image. Now scroll down. Now we have opacity here. The opacity here is 100%. I will reduce it to 0%. Then I'll come to stroke width is 0%. I'm going to increase it to 60%. Let me close this. Now I will change the color of the line. This is a line, which is a stroke. I'll change the color. Click on color, change it to white because I have white background here. White, you seen it? Then we'll scroll again, blow radius. I will blow the radius of that line. Press it. Have you seen it? I'll press OK. Bring it here. Have you seen it? Very simple. That's how you blend the edges of your image. If you are not satisfied, all you need to do is you select it, copy, bring it down. So keep it here, make it show very well. You copy, you rotate. Because of these edges, you bring it here, copy again and bring it to this edge. So that is the first way on how to blend edges of your image. I'm going to show you the second way of blending your images. Now we'll go back to this place. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to delete this. I'll add the image from gallery. I'm using this one this time. Now I'll change this background to white. Mind you, you can change your background to any color. I'm just using white for the sake of these tutorials. You can change your background to any color. And make sure the background that you are using, when you are adding the line, you use the same background color. What I'm trying to say is that any color you have on your background, any color, let's assume I'm using black. If I'm using black here, the shape I'm bringing to use in blending my image must be black. This is how it works. Now my background is black. going to bring an image. Bring it here. You've seen it. Let's reduce it. The edge getting me. So now I'll screw opacity. Reduce the opacity. Then I'll go to stroke width, increase it. Have you seen it? Then I'll go to, since our line here is already black, no need of changing the color. I'll just come to blue radius. I'll increase it. You seen it? Press OK. Now you seen it. If I'm not satisfied, I will just copy and bring it here. I'll bring it here. You see, that's how you blend the edges of your image. So I'm going to show us the second way to blend our edges. Go to this defaults. Okay. Second way, get the picture from gallery. That's okay. Now this is our image from gallery. I'm going to change this background. Change this background to white. Background to white. Then I get my shape. Bring it here. My shape. Bring it here. And I'll just scroll to color. I'll change it to gradient. Press this plus sign. Now I have one arrow here, one right angle here. I have another right angle here. So what I'll do here now, I'll select this right angle. Then click on picture, bring it to white. You seen it? Press OK. Select this other one. Select the color. Bring it to white, but this time I will reduce the opacity and press OK. Isn't it? I will select the first right angle here and bring it to the middle. Press OK. You seen it? This is the second way to blend your image, blend the edges of your image. Press OK. If I'm not satisfied, I'll just come to this place and copy, bring it here, then I'll copy again, rotate and bring it here, copy again, rotate and bring it here. So that is the second way to blend the edges of your picture. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.